Hi, welcome back to the Tiny Shop. Today I'm going to show you how I solder XT60 connectors. But first I want to show you how small the Tiny Shop really is. That's it. It's tiny. So let's get started. Okay, the first step is to get your wire ready. So for these connectors I strip it back about 1/4 of an inch. And then we'll test fit it. Oh, that's perfect. Then we'll flux. Good. Now we're going to pre-tin the wire just a little bit. Now solder tip. There it is. So you've got your wire pre-tinned. Put it in the connector. Let the helping hand do all the work. And get my hands out of the way so you can see. We'll start adding some solder. There it goes. Oh, that's perfect. There. Let it cool a bit. Now, if this was already connected to something, you'd want to put the shrink tubing on first. I cut it off about 1 inch long. Slide it all the way on as far as you can. Turn the heat on. And there you go. You're done. And it won't be too long, and we're going to start a project using these. Thanks for watching. It's pretty simple, quick and easy. No problem. Thanks for watching.